friends, I am from Creative Minds. Welcome to my channel. This is a place where you can learn many things very easy and fast so that you can write many exams. So, in today's video, we are going to learn 25 GK questions. These are not current affairs exactly, but they are very helpful for students and elders. So, before we get into the video, make sure to press the subscribe button and ring the bell so that you can receive everyday notifications and videos. And do not forget to like my videos so that it will support me a lot. And even do not forget to share to all of your friends so that they also can learn GK. So, without further ado, let's get started with today's video. First question. The biggest continent in the world. According to me, these questions came in my exams. So, I wanted to share with you so that you also can write your exams very well. So, the answer is Asia, the smallest continent in the world. This is a must and should question, and the answer is Australia. Total number of continents in the world. It is 7. It includes North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Antarctica, and Australia. Who is the first person to scale Mount Everest? Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. It is situated in the Himalayas, Nepal. It is Sherpa Tenzin and Edmund Hillary. Those both scaled the Mount Everest. Next question. Who is the first person to reach North Pole? North Pole is a place where it is like very, very cold and it is an Arctic region. The person is Robert Peary. Next question. Who is the first person to reach the South Pole? South Pole is exactly like the North Pole, but it is located in the south. It does not receive any kind of heat. So, the person is Amundsen. Next question. Which is the religion of the world? This may seem a bit crazy or a bit different, but the answer is Hinduism because all think that it is Christianity. Which is the first country to print book? Book is a thing with many pages in it which contain innumerable words, and it is China. Which is the first country to issue paper currency? Paper currency is the notes which we use in the present days, and it is China. Next question. Which is the first country to commence competitive examination in civil services? It is China again. China has a hat trick by now. So, next question. Who is the first president of USA? It is George Washington. According to me, Washington got its name because of the president. So, next question. Who is the Indian who holds the pride of beating the computer in Mathematical Wizard? It is Shakuntala Devi. Indians or many people may watch this movie. It is available in many platforms. Which is the first country to win Football World Cup? Football is a game which is played by players so that they can win, and it is played with the foot. And this is Uruguay, who is the first man to have climbed Mount Everest twice. This is a very tough thing. Climbing once is very great, and the second time he climbed was more great, and he is Nawang Gombu. Next question. Who was the first woman president of the UN General Assembly? Generally, many women subordinate to the men, but some women fight for their independence. But this is not somewhat related. So the answer is Vijayalakshmi Pandey. Next question. Who is the first Prime Minister of Britain? Britain, British, they are same. They have no differences. Britain British are the people who came from Britain. The first Prime Minister is Robert Walpole, who is the first Governor General of the United Nations. It is Trygve Norway. Next question. Which is the first country to prepare a constitution? If there's no constitution, there'll be no laws. So it is USA. Next question. Which is the first country to host NAM summit? It is Belgrade. It is in Yugoslavia. I'm sorry. The country is Belgrade and the place in it is Yugoslavia. Next question. Who is the first European to attack India? This is a very common question. Many people have heard it in history. And the person is Alexander the Great. Next question. Who is the first European to reach China? He is Marco Polo. He is a European. Who was the first person to sail around the world? This is also a question which will mainly come in history because this is a must and should question, and it is Ferdinand Magellan. Next question. Which was the first country to launch artificial satellite in the space? It is Russia. This is Russia because there used to be a fight between Russia and USA that who will invent an artificial satellite that will be launched in space so that they can they will so we'll go on to the next question. Which was the first city on which the atom bomb was dropped? This is a question which will mainly come in 7th or 8th. The place is Hiroshima in Japan. So the story goes on like this. The USA goes on Japan and drops 2 atom bombs, one on Hiroshima and other on Nagasaki. Both were in Japan. It was highly radiated after they dropped, and then many people died in this situation. So it is a very sad thing. Now let's move on to the next question. Which was the first shuttle to go in space? Columbia was the first shuttle. The name was Columbia. Thanks for watching all. Do not forget to subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, share it to all of your friends, and even like my video.